Today, we're going to be showing you how to set up the time of use settings on your new battery. So first, open up your settings menu by holding down Enter for 3 seconds. All of our units have a default passcode of 0101. Now navigate to Priority AC using the arrow keys. Navigate to AC Time Control. Here's where you're going to set your charge and discharge times. To save the most money, you want to set your charge time to be when rates are the lowest in the day, and your discharge time to be when rates are highest. Without your ACT setting turned on, your battery will simply charge until it's full. Now make sure that both X's on the right side are visible. That's how you know it's on. And also, be sure that your times are not overlapping. It's important to note that your battery cannot charge and discharge at the same time. Once you have your time range set, the battery will only charge during the charging range and only discharge during the discharge time. Once you're set, press Enter and keep an eye out on the settings screen for this indicator to change to ACT. And that's how you configure your time of use settings. Enjoy your savings.